Cuckoo, I am here, but I'm just sitting in this wonderful jungle that's grown for me, and I'm so happy. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. And today I have an update video for you, and I am so happy and proud to show you this because one part of this plant here in front of me was a rescue plant that I found in a little plant shop in Stockholm when I was up there, battered and bruised, but it had new leaves coming out and started growing and started doing really well for me. And then I wanted to plump it up a bit more, so I made another video where I showed you that I added another stem of another plant that I bought while I was out raiding the rack to add to the pot and put a stake in. And I actually changed it from the stake that I had it on at that time because I needed to move around and I needed to put it somewhere where it wouldn't be able to fit if it had the higher stake. The other stake was like, oh, way up here. But I'm going to have to change it around again at some point because this plant is just growing so fast and so well for me that I am so, so proud. And look, there's a new leaf coming out there. There's another one coming out there. The leaves are big and beautiful and lush, and it is just hairy all over because this is the wonderful, amazing, and very different hairy Philodendron Squamiferum. And now I am just so proud. This shows you how easy it is to keep this plant. If it's happy, it's in the right condition, good draining soil mix, with normal potting soil and lots of perlite and wood chunks and so forth so that the soil can aerate. Water and let dry, then you'll have a very happy plant like this in the growing season, or when it's growing at all, you can fertilize it every now and again to give it a little boost. And if it has the energy to keep sprouting like this has, it was just a few leaves. And I will put the link to the video above here so you can go and find that video if you want to go and find it later and watch it. And I will put the link down below so you can go directly to the video, and I will put it at the end of the video so you can go there and find it too. But you will see a big difference. I mean, I can't believe how quickly this plant has grown. I mean, it's been so happy that it has just sprouted out crazily for me, actually. And it reminds me of my Philodendron pinnatum that I bought that was, probably just a little bit higher than this, probably a meter high. And I think in a month, it grew an extra meter. It just grew and grew up to my ceiling, and I've had to take cuttings and propagate from it. And now it is, well, it's on the side. You can kind of see some of the leaves there. My beautiful Philodendron pinnatum. It is growing right up to the ceiling again, and I will be doing more propagations later from that. And this is just showing you that if a plant is happy, it will grow out, it will bush up in no time. This has been a couple of months, people, and this plant is just taking off and making me so proud. I'm wondering if I can carry it just a little bit to show you it closer up. It's a little bit heavy, but I'll bring it in to give you a closer look. Now look at that. Look at those beautiful leaves. Look how big they are. Look how bushy they are. Look how healthy it is. Look how happy it is with all the new leaves coming up. Look at those lovely, I'm going to show you here. Hairy stems. Aren't they just gorgeous with that lovely burgundy colour going on? So you've got this lovely dark green leaves, and when the light shines through them, they just turn light green. And then you've got this beautiful burgundy colour on the stems with their kind of hairs. That's not the real name, we know that. I'll put the name on the screen, but we'll call them hairs anyway. It creeps you out a little bit. But it has this lovely burgundy veining through all the leaves and everything. And, well, he is just Mr. Hairy Spider Legs. I just love this plant. It is just amazing. It's done so well for me. I need to put it down. Oh, 1 minute. Woo, I am starting to sweat in here. In my indoor terrace garden, it's not on at the moment because I didn't put the sound or anything, but this room is like 60-70% humidity, so you just lift something and do anything and you're hot straight away. But look at this. This is just to show you you can rejuvenate a plant that was neglected and not so happy, falling apart. Get another one, add to the mix. The other one I got had these beautiful big leaves straight away anyway, and they have just flushed out even more, and it has just grown up and spread out, and both have just taken off together, and I couldn't be happier. Very easy plant to keep happy. Let it dry out and water it. Let it dry out and water it. Don't ever overwater this plant. Don't ever let it sit in water. The roots will rot very quickly. It's a plant that can tolerate slight drought, but definitely don't let it dry out for too long, but it can definitely dry out and then be watered again. Fertilize it when it's growing, it would love that. Dust off the leaves or take it to the shower and spray it over like I did with this one just before, and you are good to go because this plant will just do it for you. So that's all I have for you for this update video. Thank you so much for watching Gardens and Crystals once again with me, Wesley Peterson. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded, and I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.